Hey guys, it's Brigitte. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing a smoky eye look. I'm actually going to break it up into a couple stages. I'm going to start off light and then get darker. So I already have my foundation and my moisturizer on, and I'm just quickly filling in my eyebrows. Don't you wish we could all do our eyebrows this fast? All right, now let's move on to the fun stuff. Yeah, I'm weird. Really weird. All right, so I'm putting on a light base color. This is called Candlelight. I'm using this as a primer. It's also going to highlight underneath my brow bone, and it gives just a nice base for my colors to sit on top of. Since we're doing such a dark look, I don't really need it on my entire lid, but just out of habit, I put it everywhere. Next, I'm coming in with Mocha Java. This is, all these are cream to powder products, but this is just my transition color. So I'm just adding some warmth. Like I said, I'm gonna start this smoky eye look off kind of soft, and then towards the end, I'm gonna do two other stages to make it a little darker. All right, so I'm coming in with a little bit darker of a brown just to fill in the outer corners and just add some dimension and some warmth to the smoky eye. I'm creating kind of like a sideways V or a C shape. You can kind of see I'm just like stippling it in, dabbing it. I'm using pretty much the same brush the whole time, and I'll put that in the comments what brush I'm using. It's just a really nice, soft blending brush. Next, I'm coming in just with a black liner. This is called Onyx. I'm also going to use it on my waterline as well, which is nice because it actually lasts all day. A lot of times if you put it in your waterline, it tends to fade so fast. But this thankfully doesn't. All right. Filling in that waterline. Top and bottom, it just really helps add to that smoky look. Okay, now I'm just coming in with a flat brush, and I'm using that dark brown color, and I'm filling in just from the outer corners, about halfway into my eye. It may look like I'm going a little further, but I'm just trying to soften it out. And then I'll just use a big fluffy brush just to really soften out and smoky out that eye. Add a little contouring. I'm using that same brown that was my transition color on my eyes. I always like to do my jawline. Just thins out the face and just kind of gives a more slim look. And a little on my forehead just because it warms up the face. And then I use the excess and just kind of wipe the rest off on my nose. I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara because I'm gonna quickly add some lashes. I feel like lashes are so important with a smoky eye look. It just adds to the drama. I think the point of a smoky eye is all about the drama. Add a little bit of blush. I don't want to go too crazy on the blush because my eyes are gonna be dark enough. Clean my lips. And just add a really soft pale pink neutral color to the lips. I don't like to go too bold on the lips if I'm going really bold on the eyes. course, I have to do my 3 layers of my LipSense, so it lasts all day. And this is a matte color, so I feel like it takes a little bit longer to dry in between. Fan, 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 act like I'm crazy. And I'm gonna put a matte gloss on top because I love matte. Yay, so pretty. All right, that was the first look. Yay. And here I am spazzing out. I moved the camera and now I have a mirror in my camera view. So excuse the big blob in the left-hand corner. This is the second look. So I'm gonna just darken it up a little. This literally is taking me maybe a minute to darken this up just a little bit. So I'm just coming back in with that dark brown, same brush, and just blend, blend, blend. The key to smoky eye, just keep blending. Blend, 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 blend. So I already have my eyeliner on and my eyelashes, which I normally do my eyeshadow first and then the rest of my eyes, but for this look, I really wanted to give you guys a look that was very versatile and starts off really smooth and soft and was buildable. All right, here's my third look. I moved the mirror because that was really special. So I'm darkening up my eyeliner, and I'm actually adding a little bit of my eyeliner color to the outer corners to really give that smoky look. So I love when I do a smoky eye and I do it with browns. I see a lot of people do it with grays, and it can be done with grays. I feel like for my skin tone, the browns are just more of a warm, soft look. And you can also add shimmer, kind of to the inner corner and like the inner part of your eyelid. It looks really, really nice, but for this look, I'm just doing more of matte colors. So again, it's so important to blend that black. You don't want some crazy looking lines. Blend, blend, blend. Much more dramatic than the first look, but best part about it is it's buildable. So once you see the final look and you're like, nope, not dark enough, you can always add to it. All right, look at it. I love it. Smoky eye, ta-da. Subscribe to my channel and check out the rest of my videos. Thanks again for watching.